IA Conversation features the highly respected Mr. Navneet Sehgal, Chairman Prasar Bharati, in conversation with Ashwin Padmanabhan, COO of Group M. Second, we are all in the business of communication as brand owners, media leaders, and advertising agency professionals. And one of the simplest yet most impactful form of communication is the conversation. Conversations brings us closer, sparks ideas, and helps us grow. At the India chapter of the International Advertising Association, we believe in the power of meaningful dialogue. This year, our focus is clear: conversations, skilling, and artificial intelligence, all aimed at equipping our industry for the future. I truly hope, yes, today's exchange of interactive and truly hope that today's exchange will be interactive and engaging. Mr. Sehgal, I am sure, will share his rich insights and his vision for Prasar Bharati, and I also hope he learns from the collective wisdom in the room. Let me take a moment to introduce our guest. Shri Navneet Kumar Sehgal is a highly respected retired IAS officer from the 1988 batch of the Uttar Pradesh cadre. Since March 16, 2024, he has been serving as the chairman of Prasar Bharati, India's largest public service broadcaster. He has created waves in the OTT space and in the content creation space with the event last month. With a 35-year career, he has led major initiatives at both state and national levels, from infrastructure projects like the Agra Lucknow Expressway to transformative programs like One District, One Product in UP. He has deep experience in media, PR, tourism, and energy. As a secretary and principal secretary to many chief ministers, he's played a key role in shaping communication strategies for key government schemes. I also welcome Ashwin Padmanabhan, COO of Group M South Asia. With the 25 years of experience across industries, from petrochemical and IT to media and advertising, he brings a wide and valuable perspective. At Group M, he leads investment strategy across South Asia. Ashwin has helped shape the future of media at Group M, launching their influencer marketing vertical GOAT and the building Group M Motion Entertainment, their content production arm. His work continues to influence how media and marketing come together in today's digital world. A special thank you to Rahul Mehta ji, who's here amongst us, without whom this evening would not have been possible. And of course, I believe thank you all for being here. And let us make sure that the ideas and insights we hear today go on to spark fresh thinking for our industry. I would now appreciate Ashwin to come onto the stage, and I believe also Navneet ji.
And yeah, I'm a bit nervous, honestly. And there's a room full of people that I've looked up to all my life. And the person I'm talking to is also someone I've looked up to from far and a little bit near over the past 15 years that I have known of him. And really, really excited to be able to have this conversation with you, sir, Navneet ji.
No, thank you so much, and I'm very happy to be, among all of you. Mostly, much more experienced than me in this media business, particularly advertisement business. And advertisement is very important way of communication. You enlist interest and then you sell your stuff. That is more important, and that is relevant for everything, content, whatever programming. So I'm very happy to be interacting with all of you, and I must thank Abhishek ji for inviting me here for this program here. And let's see, as we go along in the evening, I would certainly be a wiser man than I am now. Thank you.
You've been like an administrator who has had this exemplary track record. And not just an administrator, you've been a leader. And you've operated, yes, in the space of media, infrastructure, and many other areas where you have left your mark. Prasar Bharati is probably different and unique to anything that you've done earlier. What are you bringing to this role, and what are you taking back from the experiences you have had earlier, which you're applying to this role, and the challenges that you see here?
No, as you know, as you had only mentioned, it was not in my thought that I had met you 15 years ago, and we had started a program on Big FM, how to communicate better on government schemes. And for the first time, I had roped in a good communicator. Nilesh Misra is a very good communicator to narrate stories with songs. And those stories would include reference to government programs, government schemes. If there is a beneficiary, how he got benefited and how his family got benefited. So that was for me a first experiment of such kind in communication. And I've been in the media kind of field from the government side, not commercial communication, from the government side for last, say, 15, 16 years. And this opportunity I see as a test two ways, because one, this is a very old and established organization, Prasar Bharati. It started as a government department, and for a long time it worked as a government department till Broadcasting Corporation of India was conceived and constituted to bring kind of an independence to government, public broadcasting. So that way, almost half of our employees are government employees and half of our employees are Prasar Bharati employees.
So that's very unique. I didn't know that.
So that's very challenging. I think myself I am a little kind of an exception in the side, in the sense that government people, government employees, they are in a straight jacketed stuff, and you don't expect any innovation from them, no new thinking, no out of box ideas. So challenge is to convert them into market oriented, public oriented, revenue oriented people, that who at one side give out correct picture which can be believed, because our whatever Doordarshan would say, people will believe. So you cannot give unverified, uncertified stuff. And the other thing is family entertainment. You can't churn out that stuff that most of the OTTs are churning out these days. So you to be with the public, educate them, give them correct information, but at the same time, keep them engaged. That's very challenging. You can dish out stuff, not bothering who's seeing or who's listening to it, then it's all right. But at the same time, now the challenge is to how to engage people in simultaneously giving them information and entertainment, which many of may not like the way we present. So the presentation is very important. The content presentation of the facts also, of the stories also, of the information also is very important. And that is a challenging stuff. How do you make it interesting? To keep the attention of the viewer, to let him to get him engaged to the information that you want to dish out, particularly when it is boring and non-interesting. You have to make it interesting so that he keeps, you keep engaging him for a long time. That's the challenge.
And
of course, when the whole is full of advertisement companies, the revenue, of course, is the important thing.
Absolutely.
And to tell you, many people still think that we are being funded by government. We are not funded by government. Government is supporting us only to the extent of the salary of the government employees. The remaining, we have to do it on our own. So that is why the challenge is to how to remain viable also give that sort of entertainment which is, correct and which is family oriented.
And you spoke a little bit earlier about how you have to break established norms of working in the organization. There is a certain way of thinking that has existed over the years. And there is a responsibility that you have as a public broadcaster. So there is a vision that you have, which you want to drive, which is to literally reimagine and reinvent what Prasar Bharati and Doordarshan or All India Radio is today for us and what it can become. That's your vision. At the same time, there is an expectation from Prasar Bharati as a public broadcaster. How do you plan to kind of navigate this? It's a line that is a very difficult one to walk.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you, that, the challenge is keeping people engaged, simultaneously giving them correct information, giving them clean entertainment, and at the right time. You cannot be far behind also. If somebody else is, these days, these are the days of breaking stories. People break stories here and there without any facts or without any basis. But we don't break stories like that.
And you start.
Sometimes you feel, that you are left behind. But once you say, okay, it's not verified, unless it is verified, we can't dish it out.
So I'm just going to take a leap from what you just started off with when you spoke about what you did when Uttar Pradesh, you were leading DIPR at that time, you did the whole Nilesh Mishra. That was an example of content which was entertaining, but at the same time, the message of
Yes.
the government
Was there.
was there. It was beautifully not planted, I would say written into the story. Now, is that like a kind of an indication of what this room could do with brands as well?
Yeah, why not? That is what I'm trying to. Now we are working on the with our radio, all the radio channels also, and our Doordarshan channel and OTT also. That everything which I want to convey to people, or the government wants to convey, or any private corporate wants to convey to people, we can definitely and much better we can do it through stories. By storytelling, connecting the story with entertainment inputs. And that's the best way of, there are many advertisers are there. They must be, people would just switch it off. Yaar, ye kya hai? Chal pada, acha hai, to band karo, yaar, dusra badlo. People have a lot of choices. I tell my people, you see, Doordarshan used to be the only choice. So whatever you were churning out, people, they were forced to see it. Today, there are 250 choices. For anybody, for me, for any OTT or for any other private channel, there are plenty of choices. And if you don't keep people engaged, they will switch on to the other one. They go to the third one. So the challenge is to engage. How to engage for advertisers also. Some of the advertisements they become drab, and people they hada yaar ye to kya phir wohi bech raha hai. So there I would tell people, request people this thing that you must now innovate on how do you send out message to public about your product or anybody's product for advertisement companies. For us, we have the largest reach. I see we have I don't know how many people. No, we run, I must tell you what do we do. We run almost 36 electronic channels and 58 radio stations all across the country. Plus, we run free dish. Free dish is equivalent of Tata Sky. But our DTH platform, free dish, is free of cost. We don't charge anything. And and we don't keep a record because people buy from the market and they get connected. But as per our information and the information collected from the box manufacturers, more than 5 crore households are connected officially. Many of them may have put Chinese boxes and they may have got connected, but 5 crore is officially. 5 crore means we are reaching out to 20 crore families every day. And our reach is so that private channels, they bid out other channels to be on our free dish. And this year, the minimum rate for a channel to be on our free dish was 18 crore annually. They pay us 18 crore, 20 crore annually to be on that free dish. So I would say you must make good use of that, because one, our advertisement rates are very low as compared to private channels. But reach is there. Reach is there. You're reaching 20 crore families. No other platform of any sort can say that they are reaching so many families. So when you reach that much population, almost 1/5, 1/4 of 1/6 of in country's population, you have to, it needs a lot of responsibility. And that is what my challenge is. That our challenge is that how do we cope with that, give out correct and timely information within an interesting way. And that's what I tell my people, that we must think out of box. How do we, get out of this mindset of a government department and a government system to try and come out to be a viable and competitive channel, reaching out to the most of the population of this country.
No, absolutely. I think if you talk to any advertiser,
Another thing, yeah, sorry, I was telling about what we have. Now we have a OTT platform. I don't know how many people know Waves OTT. It's a very unique OTT platform. No other platform, OTT platform has that much, functions as my OTT has. Can you give me my phone? I'll show you what we have on our OTT platform. Yes. आपने देखा होगा, I don't know how many people have downloaded it, but this OTT platform is not only entertainment. Entertainment is only a part of it. There is a provision of all the news channels you can watch on this platform. Government, private, all. Every channel in this country is available on this OTT platform. Plus, all our radio channels are on this platform. All of us, with Bharti, this Bombay, whatever radio station that we have, they are all on this platform. Plus, there is a facility of shopping on this platform. There is a payment gateway on this, and you can shop anything from this platform. So no OTT anywhere in the world has so many functions. It helps you to, it's a single piece. You can do a lot of stuff with this OTT. And we are also working on direct to mobile. I don't know how many people know about it. Direct to mobile is a project that we're working on, is that you don't need internet to see television. It will come in any phone. No need of smartphone. In any phone, the television, TV would come, and you can watch TV on any phone. So that's the that project we are working on. So that's a huge network of communication mediums that we have.
no, I think the promise of Prasar Bharati and all its assets for every brand, and whenever we talk to any brand or a marketing head or a marketing manager, they wish that they could reach the audiences the way they would want to through the Prasar Bharati network. They wish. And over the years, from a peak to we have reached a stage where even when brands try it out, they struggle to get the same kind of, let's say, outcomes through the investments they make. And you touched upon the way you are driving the change within the organization to be able to actually deliver results to the advertisers as well. The other piece that is, becoming a context for today is that consumer spending is struggling, which is reflecting in all our brands and their earnings, which is impacting advertising. So there is a ask for better support, better engagement from more and more brands. How do you see
but
yourself
you see,
shifting
you are
that?
going the wrong way. No, sorry, most of you are concentrating on urban areas. That is the issue with you. The incomes are growing in the semi-urban, rural areas. There's a huge consumption market in rural areas. There is huge consumption market in semi-urban areas. And there we are, nobody can compare with us. In rural areas, semi-urban areas, nobody, no channel, no communication system. We are there. And you see, the only thing is that we don't speak it out, we don't sell our thing. I was working on, I told one of the companies to give me a data on audience reach. And he told me 3 of our channels put together, they are much more ahead of the market leader of private channel in the country. So we know when we compare at a single unit. Okay, Udaipur station has how many reach, Jaipur station has how many reach, Bombay has, but if you put with Bharti all together, it is huge. And we are the only ones who are there in the rural areas. Tata Sky is not there in the rural areas. Yeah. So, and we are ready to do any experiment.
Fantastic.
You know me. We will go out of the box. Let us.
And I
you
think
please
that-
take up. Please
Yeah.
bring some out of the way idea. Okay, let's communicate this way. We'll be the first one to do a pilot.
Absolutely, sir. I think that's exactly what we would like to hear.
Sure.
Because, like I said, we recognize the opportunity that exists. What we need is an equal support from the organization to be
We are
able
ready to
actually
do that. Yeah.
get to the consumer.
I will be very happy to take up any such out of the box idea, or any experimenting you want to do with communicating with any message. You have to put it in a boundary, but yeah, any message, we will do it.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
You spoke about Waves, the OTT, and you actually showed
No,
us
I want to also tell you about the Waves program.
the program. I want to get there.
Yeah. So
as well.
see, the idea of the Honorable Prime Minister to encourage us to organize that Waves conference here was to encourage the young content creators. The idea was to give them an access to market, get them an access to technology, also get them an access to platform. And that we were successful. We got a lot of young content creators to attend that. And we had a lot of technology people all across the globe who came here. And that is going to be, this wave is going to be an annual feature. And the idea is to, it's a big international or global level conference of communication and entertainment, films, content creators. You listen to them, get their ideas, give them what you want to do. And that way it was very successful. You must have, and many of you may have attended that. And it is going to be now annual feature. And we at our new OTT, that Waves, we are allowing, independent content creators. And also we are now allowing them to use our information. Like, we don't give a strike out to somebody. Like many of them give a copyright strike. I said, no, you let them use it, because, we are there to, we are a public broadcaster. We are not a commercial entity that way.
Correct.
We are not here to make money into copyright business. No. Let them let the young creators use our content, make whatever stories they want to make, and then put it out. So that young talent that is there in our country of this content creators, we, the Honorable Prime Minister, they wanted to give them a stage, give them an outlet so that their talent can grow, and that is the industry that needs to be given encouragement.
Absolutely.
We can beat Hollywood. What is the problem?
No, I think today's content consumption is driven by UGC. Right? And if you're able to empower individuals to
Yeah,
create
yeah,
content which is
yeah.
powerful and which connects, it in a way also helps you grow your setup also at the end of the day, right? Significantly. We've spoken about Prasar Bharati, we've spoken about very little about what you did earlier. But there is Navneet Sehgal, the person. You stand for a few things which you strongly believe in. you and you have lived it all your life. What are those three things which define you and which you believe you bring to your current job as well every day?
No, see, one of the most important thing is don't stop learning. You learn every day, every minute you learn. And if you take life like that, and then you will not be, disappointed. Because, even if you fail, you take it as a learning experience. Okay, take it. We'll some other day we'll get it. And the second thing is be perseverance. Don't leave it. If you think something is right, you want to do it then. Have the guts to take it forward and see to it that it goes to the conclusion. Many times one would get frustrated, small things, this didn't happen, this didn't happen. But be perseverance. Proceed with that. And then you will be able to do it. And whenever I do, I put it on with my conscience. If my conscience says, okay, this is right, and this you can tomorrow stand out and justify, then you please do it. Then I do it. Then I don't care कौन क्या कहता है.
I think here I want you to share how you brought Sudhir Chaudhary into Doordarshan.
No, that's right. It's a team effort, but we brought him because we want to give that to the audience. They want to see and listen to a particular anchor or particular. Then so we thought, okay, let's bring something to our this thing, and it is for the first time Prasar Bharati has done that kind of arrangement with anybody, despite a lot of my own people and whatever way they try to oppose it, and still some of them may be having grudges that why have you brought him, why have you this. But I said, as a communicator, I need to engage people, and you cannot be dead wood. क्या है, आप आओ और करके चले जाओ, क्या फायदा. What will you tomorrow when I leave office, I said, यार मैंने क्या किया. You don't feel satisfied yourself कि आपने जिंदगी में क्या किया.
No, absolutely.
So that is the commitment that you need to be successful. So मैं जैसे बोला हूँ, मैं तो रोज सीखता हूँ. आज भी मैंने कुछ लोगों से बहुत चीजें सीखी हैं, आगे भी सीखते रहेंगे. सीखना नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए.
No, I think I'm not going to keep the room from you too long, but before I kind of request all of you to kind of throw more questions at Navneet ji. The reality is that, and we spoke a bit about it, as an advertiser today, our challenge is the attention has been completely fragmented. And I remember I did one exercise about 2 months ago. During the day, how many times do I consume a piece of content on my phone? And I did it over a 12-hour period. So for somebody like me, an old man like me, it was 250 times in a day. Now you can imagine what would be the state of a teenager or even somebody who's in their 20s. It is impossible to get their attention. But as Prasar Bharati, you have multiple assets. You have the radio network, you have the television network, and now you have the OTT. Is there a thought on how do you engage with youth? Because today, engaging them and getting their attention has become literally impossible for everybody.
No, I totally agree with you. The attention span is very low. And, two things I work on. First is at least you reach out to them. So this OTT is a way to reach out to young people, because it has got everything. That, I have put all of our stuff, your OTT, entertainment, TV, radio, all into this. I tell my people that maybe another 10, 15 years, you may not see TV. People, the first thing that everybody, first thing, get up in the morning, you see your phone only. And the last time when you sleep, you are with the phone only. So everything is going to go on phone only. So that is why we first get them, you reach out to them, reach out by technology. We are now there on the smartphone. All of our functions are on smartphone. Then get and improve your content. So that's what now we are working on to get the better content. How do we engage the young minds? And we are now going to put a section of games also in this.
Okay.
That most of them, they are into these games stuff. तो मेरा ये मानना है कि द थिंग इज आप अगर आपकी अगर सब्जी की दुकान है, तो अगर कोई आदमी सब्जी खरीदने आए तो वो दूध भी खरीदेगा, हो सकता है अंडा भी खरीदे, तो वो भी रखना शुरू करो इसको। तो पहले ग्राहक को बुलाओ। तो वही हम कर रहे हैं। हमने पहले इसको फ़ोन पे ला दिया सारा सिस्टम। अब सब सिस्टम फ़ोन पे है। अब हम उसको सब्जी दिखाएंगे, जो भी दिखाएंगे वट एवर, कि भैया ये भी यहाँ है, ये भी यहाँ है, देखो ये भी यहाँ है, देखो।
Great, and look forward to seeing how it evolves. And
No, no,
obviously,
we
ये
need
support जो इस रूम से चाहिए आपको,
we
वो
need all the
उसके बारे में
support.
बोलिए
Yes, we need all the support from the advertisement agencies and public as at large, because we also need feedback. And I was surprised when I checked up my people. What is there for audience research? I found there's one fellow. He says, I do audience research. I said, how do you do? शाम में जो है वो नेट पे देख लेता हूँ मैं, व्हाट इज दैट, ये कोई ऑडियंस रिसर्च है। सो आई एम वर्किंग ऑन दैट, बिकॉज अनलेस यू गेट अ फीडबैक फ्रॉम द ऑडियंस व्हाट दे वांट, यू कांट improve yourself. So we are now trying to engage the agencies or organizations which work with audience, they can give us feedback on what is the audience feedback on particular programs, particular content, so that we keep improving ourselves, give them better content to engage them in a better way.
Fantastic. Abhishek, should we kind of open it up to the room? Yeah. We have a lot of.
There are two questions. हाँ बताइए आप पहला सब, यू आर द ऑर्गेनाइजर, यू हैव द राइट।
नहीं, मैं खाली बोल रहा था कि प्लीज डू शेयर, बिकॉज आई बिलीव Ashwin did say that I believe we want to know a bit more about Navneet ji. I want you to share your Lucknow Agra Expressway execution.
नहीं, मैं that was a project that was given to me in May 2014, that this is a project, you please do it. This was a 300-kilometer expressway, not even a single inch of land in possession or purchased, and no contract given to anybody. So the original timeline for that project was 36 months. But the problem was that there was election after 24 months. So you couldn't get that project extended to another term. So I called all of them. I said, yeah, we have to reduce it to 24 months. So they were all shocked. There were big bidders, the only bidders I was talking to. So they started working on how from 36 months they can squeeze it to 24 months. And then May 2014, I started, we devised a system. You see, if we had we gone in for acquisition through process, that would have taken a longer time. So better was to purchase directly from the farmer. So you wouldn't believe 33,000 farmers were there to, we had to procure land from them. In 300 villages, stretched over 300 kilometers, 7,290 acres of land. But, we worked out of our, this thing, we worked out of box, did lot of innovations in procurement, and you'll be surprised. We procured 7,298 acres of land from 33,000 farmers from 300 villages in 180 days. हमने वो 180 दिन में 180 days we did रजिस्ट्री होती है पेपर, वो साइन हो गया, उसको पैसा मिला. 33,000 किसानों से हमने 180 दिन में वो लिया विदाउट अ सिंगल लिटिगेशन. तो October 2014 we did the foundation stone, and during the foundation stone one of the leaders who was doing it, he said, no, you have to do it in 22 months. We were all shocked. We have reduced it from 36 to 24 months, and now he's taking away another 2 months. Then we took it up as a challenge, went into the nitty-gritty as a project management. I was project management consultant of myself. Then we worked on each and every bit of it, and we completed that 302 kilometers expressway. That is country's first expressway, 6-lane, extendable to 8-lane expressway in flat 22 months time. We handed it over after 22 months, and the quality of that road is that still it is in an excellent way after even 9 years of that road construction. But these chances come once in a lifetime when you do these kind of stuff. जी आप कुछ पूछ रहे थे जी please.
I must congratulate you. I've been on the expressway, and my car was flying on the expressway. This is such a straight road.
Yeah, I know.
Any big, plane can land there comfortably.
Yeah. I had given a challenge to the contractors that when this road is complete, I'll put a glass of water on my dashboard and drive my car. Wherever this glass just even goes, when water goes out of the glass, I'll fine you 1 crore rupees.
Oh,
And you'll be surprised when we opened that road, lot of private people, they put it on YouTube. Those glasses, they drove with the glasses on. Lot of people did that. Or dikhaya unne YouTube pe. They showed it on YouTube that water is not getting out of it.
so I must tell you, it's a pride of India. That stretch of the highway that has
300
been built is a pride of India. It's an amazing road. It so happened that when I was driving, it was a foggy night, and I was a little worried that it's going to be very difficult for us to drive. Despite the fog that was there, that's settling down on the road, we could still navigate through that because the roads it was very wide, and you could see the sides of the roads, so there is still good amount of safety available despite the fog that was there. Now, my question was actually going away from this part.
Yeah, please.
You said that you have an amazing OTT platform. So I think it's a well-maintained secret of Prasar Bharati, I think. I have not heard about it. Not only you have your own news channels, you also have other news channels there. You have radio channels there. What is the name of the OTT platform? That's something you never revealed.
Waves. WAVES.
Waves, that's it.
Yes.
Okay,
You
that's
put
what
it
you
on-
had for the
Yeah.
recent program.
If you will go into the App Store,
I will do that. Thank
it
you.
is available on both Android and iOS. ये see क्या होता है ना, like many other OTT platforms, they were on a soft launch for many years. But since we are a government thing, if we go say कि we are on a soft launch, the people will say कि क्या है, what is this? So we have launched it. There many times there are technical
You
issues.
don't need to keep this a secret, sir.
It's not a secret.
And I'm just saying.
No, I'm telling everybody.
No. I'm just saying lighter vein. Let's.
No, we have more than 3 million downloads
Oh, lovely.
in last 3 months, last 4 months.
I don't know how many people know in this room. I was actually quite pleased
No,
to
that's
hear.
my problem. I'm telling everybody, okay, please download.
So my question is slightly broader, but this is counting on your experience. We live in a world where there's a lot of trust deficit. In some countries, people trust government more than they trust the private sector. In some countries, it's the other way around. So that's one. Number two, there's also a trust deficit in the world of advertising. Most people say that they trust people more than they trust advertising. So looking at the experience that you have had, what kind of stuff should we do to build trust? Because that's the only future, right? We got to build trust of the people we serve. but do you have some thoughts? So it's a quite a broad question, but hopefully we can count on your experience. Like what you just did on the Agra highway, there was a huge trust building thing which shows that government can deliver more than a private sector. Thank you.
No, you see, if you see the electronic channels, I think the only trustworthy channel for information to believe is Doordarshan. I think many of you must have seen during the coverage of the Operation Sindoor and thereafter, many of the channels they had put the Indian Army in Islamabad. We never did that. We gave you and we will give you the correct and true information. You know, we don't go out of way. You know, you must have seen during counting now, whenever any election comes, you see what happens. You know, we go strictly, purely as per election commission data. We don't say, and when you must have seen, I have seen many channels for the first 2 hours showing something else and then going reverse and showing different things. No, because they unnecessarily speculate. We don't speculate. That's our this thing. We'll give you, unless it is verified from any government source, we don't give you any information on government. And we don't give any information on corporate or private thing. You know, in the simple thing like I was telling him, I told my people, why don't we take a program on astrology? सुबह सुबह बहुत सारे चैनल आजकल शुरू होते हैं, आज का दिन आपका कैसा रहेगा, उस राशि का क्या रहेगा. तो they said we can't do it. It's not our domain. We can't speculate. मैंने कहा ये तो स्पेकुलेशन नहीं है. बोले नहीं साहब ये भी स्पेकुलेशन है कि आपको हम बताएं कि आपका भविष्य कैसा रहेगा. तो that way people are they want to see or listen to controversial informations more than the truth. I don't know. We are sustaining and we will sustain because we give out correct information, we give out timely information, and we will sustain because at the end of it, when people will realize that, okay, they will give you a correct information. And during election, most of the people then switch to Doordarshan, कि हाँ यार ये सही बता रहा होगा, बाकी तो पता नहीं किधर चले जा रहे हैं. So one thing is this. The second thing is trust building only comes through experience. आपको एडवर्टीजमेंट के लिए है कि बहुत सारे लोग एडवर्टीजमेंट पे बिलीव नहीं करते. क्यों नहीं करते? बिकॉज देन व्हेन यू go to the market, when you see, when you overstate the specifications or overstate the advantages, the overstate, अब साहब वो क्रीम गोरा कैसे बना देगी किसी को, कैसे बना सकती है? बट when you say कि गोरा कर देगी क्रीम, तो वो लोग जाके यूज करते हैं, गोरे नहीं होते तो उनको लगता है यार ये झूठ बोल रहा है. तो उतना ही एडवर्टीजमेंट में उतना ही बोलना चाहिए जितना कि हम या हमारा प्रोडक्ट उसको जस्टिफाई कर सके. जब हम ओवरस्टेट करते हैं यही होता है, फिर ट्रस्ट डेफिसिट होना शुरू हो जाता है. तो बेटर आई थिंक आई कांट टेल यू यूर ऑल स्टालवर्ड्स ऑफ एडवर्टीजमेंट्स. You have to set an example. You have to set an example yourself because people won't believe. आप जो आप चाहते हो सामने वाले से, my philosophy like जो आप सामने वाले से चाहते हो पहले खुद करके देखो, तभी वो दूसरा बिलीव करेगा हाँ यार इसने किया हुआ है. और कम्युनिकेशन इज मैं अभी भी यही मानता हूँ, कम्युनिकेशन इज दी थिंग टू क्रिएट ट्रस्ट, टू बिल्ड रिलेशनशिप. Communication, unless you listen to the ability to listen, that is more important. That is the important thing. आजकल कोई सुनता नहीं है. मेरे साथ भी कई बार ऐसा होता है, मुझे भी वो कहते हैं यार तू सुनते नहीं हो. मैं फिर भी कोशिश करता हूँ कि हम लोग सुनने की आदत डालें, क्योंकि सुनोगे नहीं तो कम्युनिकेशन नहीं, आपको पता नहीं चलेगा सामने वाला चाहता क्या है. तो वही मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ, एडवर्टीजमेंट के लिए भी ये है कि गेट द फीडबैक फ्रॉम दिस थिंग फ्रॉम इंडिपेंडेंट सोर्स कि आपका ये जिंगल जो है या ये आपका एडवर्टीजमेंट है, ये कितना इम्पैक्ट डाल रहा है, हाउ इट इज अफेक्टिंग दिस थिंग पीपल. Some of them are very interesting. People would go out.
Can you share an example where you acted on a feedback from your experience?
मतलब मैं तो आप ही के साथ मतलब रहा हूँ, मैं कैसे कोई स्पेसिफिक थोड़ा बताना ठीक नहीं रहेगा. जी सॉरी.
So, well, thank you so much, Mr. Saigal. Well, it's wonderful to listen to you, and you can see a visible difference happening in the public broadcaster under your leadership. I'm going to take an analogy. आपने जो सब्जी मंडी की बात की, जिसने आपने बोला कि कितनी सारी सब्जियां आप ला के एक प्लेटफॉर्म में लाए हैं, तो एक नई सब्जी आ रही है मार्केट में जिसका नाम है माइक्रो ड्रामास. आपने I don't know if you've heard of that, and it's something which is taking shape, and I think it's going to be one of the pivots in the content creation and the content consumption, and especially in the Bharat space. You know, I think a lot of people in the Bharat, as we know, are consuming content through phones, and वहाँ पर ये it is going to, in my opinion, going to take a big pivot. तो कोई plans हैं of
ये हमारा
babes?
तो OTT है. मैं तो हम तो कहते हैं लाओ ना, अभी लाए ना कोई, हम चलाएंगे अपने OTT पे. मैं तो वी हैव क्रिएटेड अ विंडो फॉर यंग क्रिएटर्स. कोई बिजी हमारी सीमा है, जैसे मैंने बताया कि वी विल गिव यू ऑथेंटिक एंड फैमिली एंटरटेनमेंट. वी कांट गो ऑन टू द स्टफ दैट many of the other channels or the communication systems are doing. So हम तो we are open to it. We are open to it. Any small drama, small those micro drama, small chips. आजकल वही लोग सुनते हैं, देखते भी हैं. और मैं जैसे what I said के people are going on to the smartphones most of the time. Like he was saying, 12 hours a day you are on smartphone. So we have to put everything on the smartphone only. We don't have to tell कि भाई आप टीवी खरीदो. इसी में जब आ रहा है तो इसी में तो सबको बेचना है.
Wonderful. ठीक है, हम आते हैं आपके पास.
आइए साहब, एनी टाइम.
Navneet ji, just want to say, if you were able to procure land like that, you can do anything. Even the government of Tamil Nadu could not procure land for the Tatas for a mineral project in Tamil Nadu. So, sir, and the biggest newspaper in India is not Times of India, it's Dainik Bhaskar. So, and with your reach, sir, if you ask me, you're sitting on a gold mine. Your problem is more internal than external.
I know.
If you sit us in our room, we'll give you 100 suggestions. And I'm telling you personally, breaking habits is a big thing. My favorite newspaper was Times of India. But now I've broken it with Free Press Journal because the news content is excellent. And I've seen even in the TV channel. No, it's not
वो
for
चले गए.
Abhishek. But I personally feel it.
अभिषेक कहीं चले गए अभी.
It happened in the, COVID times.
No, I totally
And I've
agree.
seen it in the news channels. I don't believe the private channels that go on surfing the news. I'm a news junkie. I've seen DD News improved a lot. But still, the old habits, I gravitate like that.
Old habits
And you
die
would be
hard.
the best advertisement for your channel by saying what you have done, sir. If you come out, we will be watching more.
Yeah.
Radio, if you ask me, is gone and this thing.
नहीं
but
रेडियो
doesn't-
अब इम्प्रूव कर रहा है साहब.
रेडियो को कौन देखता है? इधर तो अर्बन
नहीं देखना नहीं है, सुनना है उसको.
सुनने में तो खाली वो गाने सुनते हैं. Anyway, that I don't know.
नहीं
But
सुनिए,
sir,
मैं आपको
your
बताता
reach
हूँ.
is so amazing.
I have a habit of switching on radio when I'm traveling in the car. तो मैं ऐसे ही सुनता रहता हूँ. तो
मोबाइल से खेलता हूँ जब गाड़ी में
नहीं
जाता
आप
हूँ, पेपर पढ़ता हूँ.
नहीं बहुत अच्छा है साहब. नहीं मैं जैसे आपको बता रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
तो मैं ऐसे ही एक दिन सुन रहा था, रात में हमारा ऑल इंडिया रेडियो चल रहा था. तो मुझे लगा यार ये गाना सुना रहा है या लठ मार रहा है. You know, he was so abrupt. Then I went back to our DJ. I said, "What is this? Yeah? At least your people who are on the radio, at least they can speak sweetly." अब वो कह रहा है जी, अब आप सुनिए किशोर कुमार को फलाने के साथ. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. आपको बताना पड़ेगा. अब आप देखिए किशोर कुमार जी का, या आप सुनिए किशोर कुमार जी का. वो जैसे वो बयानी गाया करते थे हमारे अमीन सयानी के, भाई अब सुनिए किशोर कुमार जी का 1972 में गाया हुआ ये गाना. तो वो क्या है, वो इट्स वे ऑफ प्रेजेंटिंग. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. वी आर ट्राइंग टू.
Your Ravi Mehrotra, if I may say, in DD1 in the days of yore, was very interesting.
No.
Thank
You
you.
will find we are changing. We are trying to put this into the minds of our own people. क्या है ना, देखिए उससे क्या होता है, जो उनको भी एक माहौल देना होता है आपको काम करने का, वो माहौल हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं देने की, ताकि हमारी एंगेजमेंट बढ़े पब्लिक से, हमारी रीच बढ़े, क्योंकि हमारी रीच बढ़ेगी तभी हम कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन भी स्प्रेड आउट कर पाएंगे। रीच ही नहीं बढ़ेगी, कोई देखेगा ही नहीं, तो फायदा क्या, आप क्या दिखा रहे हो उसका कोई मतलब ही नहीं है। जी
Good evening, sir.
जी।
On 6th May at 8 p.m., you were at Bharat Mandapam. Same day, Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji was at a conclave and he was a keynote speaker. At 1:05 in the morning, there was a missile strike on Pakistan. I just want to ask you, what was the instruction that you gave to Doordarshan and to All India Radio on the floor, how to do the coverage and how was it like?
नहीं, first thing, we did not know that this is going to happen. Okay.
Afterwards,
हाँ.
at 1 o'clock in the morning, 1:05.
Our staff was already on the job, and we were covering, and we were getting information from the defense ministry, home ministry, and on that basis only we were giving facts. We were not giving facts on any other basis, and we have our people everywhere, so they, to tell you, we have the largest information gathering system, much more than all the private channels put together. We have a person called part-time correspondent in every district in the country. We have a stinger system of Doordarshan. We have that that part-time correspondent is of All India Radio. Then we have a stinger of Doordarshan. We have now started a service called Prasar Bharati News Service. We are getting into the news agency also. And this Prasar Bharati News Service is going to have all these information gathering from these smallest points, and we'll put it on web, we'll put it on, we'll give it to our subscribers. So we are going to get into this competition of news agency also, so that we give you correct and timely information on real-time basis. Because now we are going to go into a wide area network system where we get simultaneous information from all these sources across the country and give out to you. And another thing that I wanted to tell you about this, we also have a global channel. That's DD India. It's an English channel. It's a global channel. We are now refurbishing it, rebranding it, and making it more relevant, because that is our window to the world. We want to, present our cultural, our historical heritage, our geopolitical stand before the world through that channel. वो प्रोग्राम चलते रहते हैं साहब. I'll find out कहाँ है वो. We can run it.
Navneet ji, good evening. It is indeed heartening to witness the progress India is making under Honorable Modi ji.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask you a very simple question. What is Prasar Bharati's Vision 2030, and how Modi ji is playing an important influence and role in shaping up the vision of Prasar Bharati in India?
No, you see, for last 11 years, country has gone places. You must have heard we are now fourth largest economy in terms of GDP. We would be number 3 in another year or so, maybe earlier than that. So that itself is a big achievement. And we were 14th or something, so 11th in 2014. From 11th to this thing. And we are growing at 6.5% growth rate, which is much more than anybody else of that size. Now, there are smaller economies which may be growing faster, but at that size, mammoth economy growing at 6.5%, and that is only because of the leadership of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. People may have their own thoughts about it, but when you see 54 crore accounts open, I remember when we used to be collector, we used to go to village, and lot of poor people used to come with checks and all that. कि साहब ये चेक तो साहब वो आया था डाक से हमारी पेंशन का, और साहब ये तो 6 महीना हो गया, बैंक कहता नहीं मिलेगा. And now, you see, we have a system, they have put it in place, that direct benefit transfer. आप वो उसके खाते में सीधे जाता है, without anybody. As you know, one of our Prime Minister once said that, 1 rupee sent from Delhi, only 15 paisa reaches there, 85% is siphoned off. But now you see with DBT, each and every penny is reaching to that person's account. I know how happy he would be. We don't realize the value of 1500 rupees. But when you see that poor man in village, particularly women, they feel so empowered. When even 1500 rupees reaching into their account, they feel so empowered. That she doesn't have to ask money from her husband or her son. She has that. She can do something with that 1500 rupees. So that empowerment they have given it to, and then that we can see. And now you see, nobody even thought of toilets. It seems very unusual कि यहाँ वाले बंदों को लगता होगा यार toilet क्या है. You see, we used to see at night लेडीज जो हैं उनको टॉयलेट जाने के लिए नहीं मिलता है. कब रात में ही जा सकते हैं, दिन भर नहीं जा सकते हैं. सी हाउ अनहाइजीनिक एंड हाउ प्रॉब्लमेटिक इट इज. रात में ही जा सकते हैं. और रात में भी हम लोग देखते थे कि अगर आपकी गाड़ी निकल रही है, लाइट पड़ रही है, तो सड़क पे लाइन में कई लोग खड़े हो जाते हैं, लेडीज खड़े हो जाते हैं. क्या लगता है इस देश की तरक्की क्या उससे निकलती थी क्या? अब देखिए इतने 12 करोड़ टॉयलेट्स बने, तो कम से कम एक जो हमारी ग्रामीण महिला है उसको ये एक तो वो हुआ ना, एक कि भाई ठीक है मेरे पास अब टॉयलेट है, आई कैन गो एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ड्यूरिंग द डे ऑल्सो. तो ये किसी ने सोचा नहीं था साहब, ये सोचा नहीं था. उन्होंने सोचा, बिकॉज आई प्रेज हिम बिकॉज ही हैज़ वन विजन, leadership, and he has the guts to implement what he thinks is right and what is the right for this country. और आपने 11 साल में देखा है साहब हम कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच गए. मैं विदेश में जाता हूँ तो लोग जो इंडियंस हैं दे फील एम्पावर्ड कि हाँ यार हम कह सकते हैं कि हम इंडिया से हैं. तो ये पिछले पूरे, और वही उनका अप्रोच है हमारा प्रसार भारती में कि हम सही समय पे सही कंटेंट दें, लेकिन एंगेजमेंट वे में दें ताकि लोग एंगेज हों और सुने भी हमको. हम एक तरफ से बोलते रहें कोई सुनने वाला ना हो, वो उसका भी कोई मतलब नहीं है. एंड दे हैव गिवन अस फ्रीडम कि आप करिए इसको साहब. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू कि लेट्स गेट मोर एंगेजमेंट विद पीपल. हम लोगों को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एंगेज करके अपनी बात, सही बात उन तक हम लोग पहुँचाएँ, सही समय पे पहुँचाएँ और सच्ची बात पहुँचाएँ. जैसे हमने हमारा जो डीडी न्यूज़ है उसका लोगो ही है भरोसा सच का. वी डोंट वेवर हियर एंड देयर. हम लोग इधर उधर की बात नहीं करते हैं. जब तक कि कोई बात वेरीफाई ना हो जाए, वी डोंट शेयर इट विद आवर ऑडियंस. नेवर. जी.
Thank you,
Padra
Navjeet ji. It's been a wonderful evening. And thank you for
No,
coming.
thank you,
and thank you for
meeting
talking
you
to
is-
us.
is
It's
very-
wonderful. Thank you. I think I'm among the few people here who has nothing to do with either advertising or marketing. And therefore, I thought I would, point to a different.
But you do a lot of advertisement of your own. Chris.
Well, I mean,
That's what I'm saying.
well, that's kind. But so my question to you really is this: that I was just thinking that as a layperson, if there's something that Prasar Bharati can do about imaging, because imaging is a reality. A lot of common people actually believe that it's just a government spokes media. And therefore, what is it that you can do as an organization to actually change that? What is the kind of communication that you can give to common people to change that perception of and believe me, I'm a big fan of Doordarshan because I've been a product of it. I've had homeopathy health programs on national television for a very long time. So I actually believe the reach is very important, and I know how it impacts people's lives as well. So even info health programs are very, very useful to people, and it goes all the way down to the villages. My second question to you is about your revenue model. You did allude to it a little bit, but really, how do you support it? Because being part quasi-government and then quasi-private, it's quite a challenge. So other than advertisements and what else do you really depend on to get your revenue?
Yeah. No, there's one thing about the, after all, we are part of the government, despite the fact that our board is totally autonomous. We don't need to ask government for every program. That should be some sort of a, this thing to say that we are independent. But क्या होता है, in a crowd of people, when 20 people are shouting something else, so if you want yourself to be heard, you have to bring out something else. No, if you start shouting along with them, then nobody, you are one of them. So that's what we are trying to be different from them. We don't shout, and we tell our thing, and that's the trust that we are trying to create. Be fair and be correct, and on real time, on time basis, the information, news that we give out. And we give equal chance to, like as a political program, we give equal chance to the opposition and all parties to, we call their spokespersons also. We give them a chance to speak about themselves. What is their idea about a particular subject if there is a discussion? So, it's a fair field, fair playing field. We give them level playing field to all of them. And about revenue model is, we have that's what I'm saying, no. We have an advertisement revenue. We have a free dish. We get our most of the revenue from free dish and advertisement revenue. Now we are working on a model on asset monetization. We have plenty of assets, and we are working on a model to how do we monetize as per our Prime Minister's direction to all the ministries. We are also working on monetization, and we have got plenty of assets and very prime assets. And there we are working on a model. We are just in the process of appointing a consultant to work on a model where we create a system where those assets are developed on PPP mode with a long-term lease basis, where we get income through lease rents and all. So that way we, will be more profitable than we are now.
Thank you so much, Navneet ji. And I think taking time off today, and you're a
No, I am
busy
very
man.
happy. We wanted to be, interacting with the advertisement, because I tell my marketing fellows, what are you doing to do this? And that is the best opportunity to talk to you, to understand what you think, what you want. And I was telling you, we are even ready to do an out-of-box formula. Okay, our current revenue is this. You bring more revenue, we'll share it with you. So I will come out with that also. That is also one of the way to earn more revenue. And the second thing is, try and understand, the consumption market is now rural and semi-urban areas, and nobody can challenge us. Nobody can compete with us in reach. आप ट्राई तो करके देखो, आप ट्राई करो, देखो आप हमारे डिफरेंट जो चैनल्स हैं उस पर एडवर्टीजमेंट दे के देखो आप को, और उसका रिजल्ट देखो, फीडबैक लो, यू विल गेट मच 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 मोर रिस्पॉन्स. क्योंकि अभी इधर अर्बन मार्केट सैचुरेटेड है, पर्टिकुलरली जो कंज्यूमर प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उसमें अब जो रूरल और सेमी अर्बन मार्केट है वो दे आर कमिंग अप, एंड दी लाइक World Bank says more than 17 crore people came out of poverty. तो आज भी एक business standard had carried out a survey of incomes in the country, and they found there is a lower middle class and there is a middle class whose incomes have risen in last 11 years. पिछले 11 साल में इन सबों की आय इनकम बढ़ी है. तो वो कहाँ हैं वो, दैट लोअर मिडिल क्लास एंड मिडिल क्लास? इट्स इन द सेमी अर्बन और रूरल एरियाज, जहाँ पे इनकम्स बढ़ी हैं लोगों की. तो वो खर्च कर रहे हैं. तो खर्च कर रहे हैं तो नेचुरली उनको पता होगा कि साहब, पता होना चाहिए कि कौन सी चीज़ बेहतर है, मैं कहाँ खर्च कर सकता हूँ. टूथपेस्ट बेचने वाले को भी बताना पड़ेगा कि भैया टूथपेस्ट यहाँ पे मिलता है, या जो भी है, वट एवर. सो दैट इज़ दी, आवर प्लेटफॉर्म्स आर दी बेस्ट फॉर कंजम्पशन प्रोडक्ट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट air conditioned company can come and they can also do it. Motorcycle companies can do it. Those all consumer product companies can do it. So my idea was also to tell you that, okay, we have the largest network, we have the largest reach. Please, you all come onto our platform.
Thank you so much, and I'm sure all of us
And whatever
here,
out of box ideas you have to bring about that, to bring your content or new way to advertise, we are all open to that.
absolutely. And I think you have thrown the challenge at us. We'll take it.
Thank you so
And,
much. Thank you. Thank you.
So really a pleasure spending the time with you and talking to you, Navneet ji. And thank you.